I found right here. Because I'm awesome. This is not just brown. Because I mixed every color. Shit. Ow.
Victim's name is Damon Harlow. He and his business partner there started this interesting little swap meet attracting murderabilia buffs from across the region.
Murderabilia.
True crime collectibles, artwork, autographs, mementos, all from famous killers.
Where'd they get all this crap?
And some of it comes from police property auctions, others are gifts from incarcerated killers. As long as the convicts aren't directly profiting, it's legal to sell the stuff.
Including the car belonging to Lucas Ring.
With our fresh kill here, Damon Harlow. Yeah, I remember that summer. I was 12 years old. My parents were still together. We were living in Vegas. The monster was killing in April every few weeks. I watched my mom triple check the locks every night.
Yeah, it was a big deal up north, too. Ring confessed all 10 murders, right? And they still lingered on death row for how long?
20 years. Finally got the needle a few months ago. And now these guys want to memorialize him, keep his legacy alive.
Yeah, it's a little disturbing. Room full of people fixated
Yeah, sorry.
Maybe one of them more committed than the rest.
Who knows who I am? I'm Layla. That's okay. Now mix. This is blue and orange. See? Blue and orange.
What? Oh, Matthew?
Pursue a very large industry.
No one's had found, and no one's had that. Not royalty.
Well,
Again, it's icy out.
what's on my head? It's on my
No way, there was a
head.
sheet of ice all over the trailer park.
Oh, it's so coffee with Play-Doh.
Just saying, I'm not
Didn't know they was Play-Doh on it.